Hey everybody in the UK, this is Brett, and today I need your help. I have this friend, his name is Philip, and he is an incredible chef that is trying to get started with a vegan healthy food business. And the dishes that he makes, I'm sure that they are incredible. I live here in the United States and I've not tasted them, but look at these. He makes authentic Indian cuisine. Wow. Look at that beet. That looks so good. Sorry, I keep toggling over it. Spicy and yummy. And his website is chatman.co.uk, and I'll put that link in the description box here, okay? And you can order, all of these come in packages, okay? But you can order all of this online and it won't cost you that much to have it shipped. And his prices, as you can see, are amazing. And so I'm wanting you to do this favor for me as a favor also for yourself, because I'm sure that you're really, and he only uses the best ingredients, and you're really gonna enjoy this. And this is a new business. He's trying to get it going. Anybody that's self-employed knows how hard it is. So I want to thank you so much for joining me.